you?
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, hello parents and kids. Okay, let's join us for the day 7. Okay, after this today's session, we have a quiz.
Oh, after today's session?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
That means tomorrow.
End of this session to next session. Okay, next
Tomorrow?
session. Yeah, tomorrow we have a quiz.
Okay.
Right? Excited?
Yes.
Okay.
I was just waiting for
Okay,
that
thank you
session.
friends and family for supporting. So this is actually a long journey. We start with the very simple steps to learn about the recent AI development, because nowadays the future is going to be ruled by AI. Without AI, there is no life. Okay, that's what the world is heading towards. AI based world. Okay, everything is involved in AI, right? I think I already started and we are moving very fast. So it's very very important that all the kids should aware of what is happening in and around AI in today's world. Okay, that's very very important, right? So let's join, and every one of you know, very familiar with telling stories to kids, right? Your own kids and anybody, small kids. If you are a teacher and whoever involved in handling kids, definitely know about stories, how to create stories, and then you may tell a story. Okay, now, let's say if I ask you to write a story,
Yeah.
can you write a story?
Yeah.
Then
How you write? Can you tell me an example? Okay.
I'll write about Jack and the Beanstalk or something like that.
I'll write about myself, like first introduction.
That is,
Okay.
I can write some famous stories like Red Riding Hood or Jack and the Beanstalk, or about myself also, about some essay.
Or like about myself.
Yeah, because I do so many essays.
Okay, assume your favorite dinosaur running a pizza shop.
Oh.
How you write stories?
I read one day I saw I was walking to a shop, then I saw my favorite dinosaur open the pizza shop. Then I tried it. Then I will tell how the taste looks, like that.
Usually my favorite dinosaur don't know how to cook, but suddenly I go to one shop because I was hungry. I saw my favorite dinosaur. I got very shocked but he's making pizza. So I tried his food and his food was amazing.
Today is day 7. Day 7 we are going to talk about something similar to the yesterday session. Yesterday session we talk about image tools, AI tools, especially or particularly work on images. Okay, you want to create images, you can want to create a videos, there are tools for videos, and from the sentences, from the text you can generate, right?
Yeah.
We talk about DALI, Midjourney, Stable Fusion, Copilot, so many. And we also talk about video production tool. Video production tool, maybe we will talk about another session.
ChatGPT?
Okay, so today we talk about ChatGPT. Since you are familiar all the time, talk about ChatGPT. So we talk about ChatGPT. So ChatGPT comes under generative AI tools. Generative. Why the name generative?
Because you can generate text, you can generate image, generate videos, animation character generate.
Yeah, so
Can
what we
generate
can do is
anything.
we can generate in a sense, given a text, given a description, or
You can
given
generate
whatever
photos,
question,
videos.
you can generate more text. Okay, generate based on whatever input you given to that. And how this system works? These systems works based on millions and millions of words, online sources. So they train on the words, multiple languages, mainly starts with English, then you have many different languages, right?
Spanish.
So whatever text in a sense online, where everywhere people using Facebook, for example.
Yeah,
Facebook they will talk about some
Instagram,
comment,
TikTok.
Instagram,
YouTube.
they say social media. So we talk about social media. And there are some online books available, library,
E-books.
Yeah.
I always read.
Ebook, and ebook comes in the form of stories, in the form of many different types,
Comics.
about coding, comic, and technology,
Novel.
novel. So they take all those data and train the computer. In order to train, they need a huge machine. Okay, we call it as a processor. Running somewhere. The processor, okay? So those processors actually train on huge volume of data, and it can learn about, okay, given a text, it know, okay? We will talk about that in detail. When we talk about machine learning, we will go in detail about that, okay? About how that particularly works inside, okay? But so ChatGPT is one of the top tools. Not only ChatGPT, Gemini, Google
Gemini
Gemini,
AI.
Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Copilot, all those are considered
Copilot?
Copilot is a generative tool. Okay, so these tools actually, you ask a generate a story, the tool can maybe apply creativity and imagination
But
like a
according
human.
to the GPT imagination, not our imagination.
Yes.
If we describe properly, then only you can write.
Yes, you want specifically based on your questions or
Just general.
general automatically. Okay, you ask question after it.
Okay.
Okay, so these tools can generate uh, stories. Okay, so these tools are very handy or helpful in a sense. You want to generate the stories, you can actually generate the story. Okay, for example, you can give a just like a topic. Okay, it can generate a storyline. It can create a cartoon. Okay,
Yeah, animated character.
animated character. So it can write a poem.
Oh,
If you ask a poem, if you ask to write a song,
you can write also.
you can write a song, but you have to tell how actually one. Okay, and talk about describe about a particular scenario. It can create a song sequence. It can create a storyline. It can
But it won't
create
be
an image.
perfect.
It can apply its imagination, but
Can
you
create
give
poem.
the more detail you describe or
The more
the scene,
perfect.
this will work more perfect. Okay, so those are all the tools called generative AI tools. Okay, and the names of the tools are very popular tools such as ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, and there are many other tools also available. DALI actually mainly for the images, to generate images. DALI,
The
Midjourney,
video generator.
we will talk about in another class, video generator. Okay, so uh, hi parents and kids, so you can actually use those generative tools. So what are generative tools? It trained on large volume of data. It trained on large volume of text message. Text is means words, right? All words are considered text. Sentences, a group of
Text,
sentences,
paragraph.
and pages of information. So it's all trained on that, and trained in a sense that it can understand, given a sentence, it understand, okay, what you try to want to generate, what you want to generate. From the words given, it will go and take those volume, similar words, okay, that semantic in a sense meaning, it understand the meaning of those words, what represents. Okay, if you talk about the dog in a sense, so it understand it's representing an animal. If you represent a park, a playground.
Like
So
an
playgrounds, and in a sense, it's an area where kids
Children's
usually play. So it understands the meaning of every word, and based on that, it will actually generate. That's how it will generate a story of that. It also knows about, because it's already trained on large volume of data. It can understand. It understands that, oh, this is about character. This is about scenery. This is about nature. This is about other technology. So it can generate that. So using these tools, we can write stories, we can write poems, we can write gen text, we can summarize.
Song.
Earlier, as I mentioned, right, summarize the text. Given a law, 5 pages, it make it into short.
Yeah,
Can it generate songs?
Yeah, it can generate songs. Okay, it can generate songs. It can do also quizzes, questions. It can generate quiz. Okay, I given a quiz, generate questions
like
and
a subject
answer.
for math.
Yes. Yeah, I don't understand the topic, any specific topic. Ask ChatGPT to explain the topic.
Then
If
it
you
will
don't
explain to you.
it will explain. I mean, it will generate and explain. But you can enable it also has a voice, right?
Yeah.
So it can talk to you also. So we will talk about that is what comes under voice VA, virtual assistant. Okay, right? So that is about today's session. We learn about generative AI tools, right? Okay, friends. So we learn about generative AI tools today, and tomorrow we will start another exciting topic. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you. Bye bye. Say
Bye,
bye.
teacher.
Bye,
Bye.
teacher. Bye.